How to create your own Little Miss meme. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create the popular Little Miss meme. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, you need to head over to this website, which I'll leave a link for in the video description below. Then if you scroll down, here it lists all of the Little Miss characters that there are available. So choose one that you'd like. For example, Little Miss Lucky, then tap on her. Then if you long press and then say download image, it's now going to download this image to your gallery. Next, head over to the Pixar app. Once you're in the app, tap on the plus button in the bottom of the screen. Then scroll all the way down until you get to color backgrounds. Then tap on the white color. Once here, scroll across until you get to add photo, then tap on that one. Then choose the photo that you've just downloaded. Then tap on add. So that's added that image to this background that we're working on. So what you can do is you can make it a bit bigger and then move it to wherever you would like. Next, you can crop the image. So if you just crop the image to the size that you'd like. Then tap on the tick button in the top right hand corner. Then you can move that image down a bit. You can make it a bit bigger. Put it wherever you want. A bit smaller. Then tap the tick button. Then you can add your text. So tap on the text button at the bottom. Then type in the name of this character. So I'm going to call mine this. Then tap on the tick button once you're done. So you can change the font color at the bottom. So right now it's white, so I'm going to change it to black. Then I'm going to move it up. Then you can also change the font if you want. So you can just scroll through any font at the bottom that you'd like. Choose the one that is right for you. And choose this one. And then you can download this image and share it on any of your social media platforms. And that's all it takes to create your own Little Miss meme. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.